For years, Nicolas Cage was one of the highest paid actors in Hollywood, earning over $150 million throughout his career. Somehow, he still ended up owing the IRS over $14 million in tax liens. He was pumping out movie after movie, earning massive paychecks, but at some point, the spending got out of control. Over the years, Cage purchased multiple mansions, private islands, luxury cars, rare collectibles, and other high-end assets. Taxes on those kinds of luxury items are huge and not always considered at the time of purchase. Eventually, the tax bill caught up with him. In 2009, the IRS filed a federal tax lien against him for more than $6 million in unpaid taxes. As the authorities continued their pursuit, they kept uncovering even more tax issues. Cage later sued his former business manager, claiming financial mismanagement and alleging that poor advice contributed to his problems. His former manager argued that Cage's spending habits were a major factor. The legal fight made plenty of headlines, but it didn't change the fact that the taxes still had to be paid. To resolve the situation, Cage began selling properties and other assets. He also dramatically increased his workload, taking on a large number of film roles over the following years. A lot of people assumed he was making so many movies because he wanted to. According to Cage, much of that work was driven by the financial obligations and his desire to get back on stable footing. Most tax crimes involved concealing income, filing false tax returns, or trying to avoid paying altogether. Nicolas Cage's problem boiled down to extravagant spending and poor financial management, eventually digging himself a hole that became extremely difficult to climb out of. Today, Cage says that he has paid off his tax debts and worked through his financial issues. Most people won't earn a Hollywood star's salary, but plenty can relate to a bit of overspending. What do you think? Who deserves more blame? The person spending the money or the advisors helping manage it?